A storm of protest followed a suggestion by Home Secretary Boris Johnson that England could withdraw from the World Cup on Tuesday in retaliation for Russia's suspected poisoning of a double agent on British soil. Sky Sports pundit Gary Neville immediately condemned Johnson's comments, saying on Twitter, "He's a useless fool. Why bring football into it?" Fans weighed in on social media, and sources close to Johnson later insisted the Foreign Secretary was not referring to players, but to officials and dignitaries attending the finals, which start on June 14. Johnson, responding to the spy poison case in Salisbury, said, "For my part, I think it will be difficult to see how, thinking ahead to the World Cup this summer, it would be very difficult to imagine that UK representation at that event could go ahead in the normal way. We will certainly have to consider that. There are already fears that safety will be a major issue in Russia, particularly as gangs of thugs clashed with England supporters in France at Euro 2016. The Football Association have always stressed that England supporters must be on alert if they travel to Russia this summer. Those who do travel face extortionate hotel costs and train journeys of up to 20 hours to watch their team take on Tunisia, June 18 in Volgograd Oblast, Panama, June 24 in Novgorod, and Belgium, June 28 in Kaliningrad, in the group stage.